Hello, welcome again to Two Talk Two. I'm with Alma Clavin from UCD. Alma, you're an urban planner and geographer. What exactly does that entail?
That's right. I've studied both geography and urban planning. And in using the skills from both of these disciplines, I've developed a research practice to help people to articulate what they need from their local environment, from trees to green space to social spaces. So urban geography brings a social, spatial and critical dimension to this work, where resources land and where the deficits are.
And you're involved in a very interesting project, the Repair Acts Ireland project. Can you tell me more about that?
Yes, that's right. So Repair Acts Ireland is part of a wider Repair Acts international programme established in 2018. So the work draws on the European Commission calls for a more effective right to repair in 2022. So we examine past, present, and also the future of repair, starting in County Westmeath. So we're developing the People's Archive of Repair, collecting as many stories as we can, and also Ireland's first repair declaration, a set of actions and statements to enhance repair in the future.
So do you have a favourite repair project that you've been involved in?
Yes, I lived on a narrowboat called Songlines. So many of the repairs were carried out by a professional repairer in the boatyard. But in addition to that, repair was part of my everyday life whilst living on the boat.
Sounds like a great project and a great name for a boat. And finally and briefly, Alma, your motto for life?
My motto for the moment anyway is staying with the trouble, the title of a book by Donna Haraway. And really, this is about working in the present with the knowledge that things can be imperfect and difficult, particularly when working in climate action.
Sounds like one for the reading list. Alma Clavin, thank you for joining Two Talk Two.